What's good, guys? Welcome back. Digital Slang back with another video today. Now this is a video I did not think I would make. I dropped a video about a week or two ago on the BlackPods, matte black, and they had just about everything that I've been looking for in a pair of BlackPods. We're just gonna call them BlackPods, make it real simple. But they had ReName, ReMap, GPS, and they were good. Wireless charging, Bluetooth 5.0, everything that I've been looking for except for the upgraded chip with the upgraded sound. And these came to my doorstep today and I forgot all about them. I forgot that I ordered them. I paid 35 bucks for them. I even had to go back in AliExpress and look to see what they were because I totally forgot about them. And these are going to sound just as good as the Nokia, the KP1s, as the glossy black i500s and i9000s. These are going to sound just as good as the real AirPods. And I'm excited about these. I finally have a matte black pair that has everything. And I don't expect to see another pair ever. You can't get better than these. You just can't. This has everything that we could ask for in a pair of BlackPods. We're gonna go in, we'll do all the testing as usual, but I already know the sound quality on these things is going to be really good. And these are as close as we're gonna get to the real deal. So get excited. If we take a look at the box right here, you can tell it's just outlined in gold. This is the gold standard of the BlackPods. If anybody tells you there's a better pair, it's not true, it's not happening, it's not even possible because this has everything. So we'll jump in, we'll check it out. Let's just open this sucker up. Now this did come wrapped in plastic, but when I got them, I didn't know what they were. So I opened them up. I wanted to double check, and I tested the sound already, and I already know that they sound dope. So again, these are the in-ear bud style, right? So you're still not gonna get a lot of bass, but the sound quality is crystal clear and the volume is very loud. So I'm excited. We'll test out the rest of these real quick. We'll do a mic test, all the usual stuff. But I'm gonna run through these pretty quick because it's basically the same functionality as the ones that I tested last week, but just with better sound. So we'll check it out real quick. We'll take a look, check out the packaging. Again, the box is cool. It's a gold outline and it's the gold standard. And we do get a user's manual in here. Inside of here is the newest and final version. Again, this has to be the final version. There's nothing else they could do to it. Also in the box, wow, that's different. I didn't expect to see that. So it's just a tiny little cable, lightning to USB, and very small, and not your typical cable that comes with all of these, but it is what it is. So if we take a look at these are 1-to-1 in weight, and they feel it. They feel premium. They're not as light as usual. They feel really solid. And if we take a look at the case, the last one, if you go back and you look at that video, I wasn't too happy with the magnetic hinge on here, but this one is so much better. The other one was it worked, but it was slight, and I mentioned that in the video. But this one is just the way I want it. It's perfect. Let's open this up. We'll connect them and we'll start all of the testing, and I'll show you all of the features just like the past pair. If we hit connect, and I am running the latest beta of iOS 13, so these will connect to the latest version. And we are connecting. Done connecting, and it is the real battery percentage of the case as well as the buds themselves. And we'll throw them in, and you do get that sound when you connect them in your ear, that real sound that makes you feel like you're using the real thing. And I love when I hear things like that because I mentioned this in other videos, but the attention to detail is what makes these worth it. So now that we're connected, we're gonna go in and I'll show you the settings just like the last pair. If we go into Bluetooth and you click on the info button, you go in, you could rename them. I already called these BlackPods earlier today. And the left is play and pause, the right is next track, and you can go in and you can change them and make them whatever you want, just like the real deal. You can turn on and off automatic ear detection, and you can switch your microphone to use whatever side or whatever bud you would like. I just leave that on default as is. So ReName, ReMap. Also, if you go in and you go into Find My, GPS does work. So if you lose these, you can use GPS to find them, and it will play a little sound for you if you're close. Now, granted, you do have to be fairly close for these to work with GPS, but you do have that option if you are in the ballpark, if you think you know where they are, it will work very well for you. But right now, let's just jump in. We're gonna start the testing and we're gonna test this upgraded chip right away. I wanna hear some music. So let's play some music and see if they sound just as good as the KP1s, as everything with the upgraded chip. The glossy black i500s, all of those ones that I love so much. I'm hoping that these sound fantastic. They sound great. They sound just like the real thing. I think the real ones have a touch more bass, but the sound quality is crystal clear. They're very loud. The loudest pair by far of matte black, BlackPods, whatever you want to call them, the loudest pair that I've tested. So we'll play some music. We'll try in-ear detection first. Music is playing. Take the right out. Pauses right away. Back in the ear, we get that real sound. Left side, pauses right away. Next, we're going to try the touch controls. I'm going to play some music again. Now, the left side, the double tap, I switched in settings. Double tap on the left should be play and pause. Double tap on the right should be next track. So let's just try that out. 2 taps left side should be play and pause. 2 taps, pauses. 2 taps again, plays. 2 taps on the right side should go to the next track. Next track, once again. Next track. So touch controls work very well. You can change them to whatever you want. Next test, let's check the mic out. What up guys, mic test. This has to be the final version of the BlackPods. You can't make them any better. I'm hoping that they improve the mic quality as well. Let me know how the mic sounds. Now, of course, we're going to compare that to the real AirPods. So this will be the mic test for the real AirPods. What up, guys? Mic test, the final version of the BlackPods versus the real AirPods. These are the real AirPods. Let me know how the mic sounds, how they compare. Are we close to the same thing, or are these still the king? Next test, we will check the latency, see if there's any delay between audio and video. No delay between audio and video. So these things are the real deal. All right, guys, this is it. This is the gold standard, the final version. It has to be. I keep saying final version, but these cannot get any better. They just can't. There's nothing else they can do to these unless they keep this model and add the volume control sliders. That's about all you can do, but I just don't expect them to do that. But 35 bucks, I'll drop the link below. Sound quality on these things is fantastic. In-ear detection works very well. You can use one at a time. Wireless charging, Bluetooth 5.0, renaming, remapping, GPS. This is as good as we are going to get with the matte black BlackPods. 35 bucks, totally worth it. These will be my new buds that I use on a day in and day out basis. I didn't think I would ever see a pair like this. I thought last week or the week before, whenever I dropped that video, was the best pair. Totally forgot that I ordered these, but I am pleasantly surprised and I'm glad that they showed up at my door today. So I'll drop the link below, guys. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know if there's any buds you want me to review. It doesn't matter what they are. I'll pick them up, but I got a bunch more coming in. I got the BlackPods Pro coming in tomorrow, so expect a video for that in a few days. But that's about it, guys. I appreciate all of the support. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell for the latest notifications. I'll be back with more videos soon. Peace.